What if I told you I just got my hands on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, weeks before launch? Yeah, this might just be your very first look at Apple's next big thing. Right here in front of me. Sealed box, new packaging, new design. And yeah, I know what you're thinking. Is this real? Let's find out. It's cracking open the box, and boom, there it is. The iPhone 17 Pro Max. First impressions? This thing looks insanely premium. It's the new camera layout, the finish, the edges. This looks like the real deal. You've got the usual minimal Apple unboxing experience, USB-C cable, SIM tool, that's it. Classic. Now let's get to the device. Peeling the plastic, powering it on. Hold up somethings. Off. The UI looks like iOS kind of, but not quite. And then it hits you. This isn't the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is a dummy unit. But hear me out. This thing is scary convincing. The design matches the leaks. You've got the triple lens setup, LiDAR, flash, new action button. Even the materials feel on point. But once you look at the software, the truth comes out. It's Android running an iOS skin. Yup. It even says iPhone 16 Pro Max in the settings for some reason. Running a fake iOS 18, the animations are janky, the UIS slightly off. But man, for anyone not deep into tech, this could totally pass as the real iPhone. And that's exactly why I made this video. These clones have gotten so good, it's almost hard to tell the difference without powering it on. But here's the twist. Apple's official event is happening on September 9th. So just days away from seeing how close this dummy really is to the real iPhone 17 Pro Max. So hit that follow, subscribe, whatever you need to do. Because as soon as the real thing drops, you know we're unboxing it first. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let me know in the comments. Did this fake iPhone fool you for a second? Be honest, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.